had the moonstone boost, and that's basically it. Ah! Got it. Wait, rocket? Oh, yes.
Frenzy!
Okay. Victory! We're at the aquarium park, and it's basically the earth, but everything is in water. I can take it. Oh,
In the unlikely event of an emergency, please find the nearest escape pod. For anyone not named Eggman, your escape pod can be found back on the planet still being assembled in the factory.
wow. Thanks, Eggman. I'm gonna teach him a lesson.
Experience the honest citizens of the seven seas in Captain Eggman's amazing underwater aquarium.
Ew.
That's really embarrassing.
Oh, they are fighting. What am I supposed to do? Make up your mind of where you want a laser. Yeah. Where'd it go? Wait, is that not? Yeah, I'm gonna do that flip. Start running. Oh god. Oh god, stop hitting your head, Sonic. Get that? I guess this is the whole level. No! It is spinner. That's the first game. The caterpillar. Wait, I don't see a caterpillar. Yeah, that's right. Push me down. No, no, no. No, no. Why are you setting me up? Oh, that wasn't hard. Wait, no!
I'm on my way!
You're over here. Really, Sonic? Here we go.
The mighty ocean. Correct.
Okay, crap. Can I that's not because of Eggman.
No worries, Sonic.
This is amazing. Sonic the Hedgehog. No! Yes! No! Yeah! Ah! Dude, it's right there. You ain't stopping it.
Man, running past all those fish put me in the mood for sushi. I doubt Eggman had the decency to put a good sushi joint in this park.
Of course you would.
Ladies and gentlemen, try the newest dining experience here at Eggman's incredible interstellar amusement park, the Bucket of Sushi.
It's awful. That's an awful name.
Ugh, like I was saying. Hey, did somebody here order a clobbering?
No.
Are you sure? It says somebody ordered an extra large clobbering topped with everything.
Oh, you must be mistaken then.
Okay. Tell you what, I can't take this thing back, so I'll give you an extra large clobbering for nothing. Hope you're hungry.
I don't want it though. Oh god, we're at the water again. What's this? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, the bomb's after me. Get the Sonic. Oh god, Tigers, Sonic. See you, suckers. Chase me. I guess that's how. Who is he? Got it. No! Give me that ring. Got it. Got it. Oh, I guess it's dead. Where did that come from? Yeah, that's right. That's how it ends.
And as you see, I completed all the planet with the asteroid coaster, the green sweet mountain, whatever that green plate is, and the underwater, the aquarium park.
Critical system. Next up.
Oh yeah, Chum.
Critical system. Ho, ho, ho! That fool Sonic thinks he's won because he destroyed all my generators. Well, the mind control cannon is full enough for what it has to do. I will have the last laugh!
The last laugh? How is laughing last special? Isn't that like being the slowest one to get the joke?
Yeah, I'd laugh last all the time. People look at me like I'm an idiot. Forget about it. That's because you are an idiot. You talking to me?
What?
Yes, I'm talking to you. There's nobody else here, so I must be talking to you. Why haven't we fixed your voice chip yet? Yo, quit busting my batteries over here. I've been working on it all day. What does that even mean? Oh, never mind. In a few seconds it will matter anyway, since the world will have only one thing on its mind.
What's that, boss?
Me.
Ew. I don't want to think of Eggman. And then he destroyed the moon again.
No, this can't be happening. It's backfiring. Impossible. How? Ta-da! Yo, what do you mean impossible? Your plans have been crushed by Sonic for like ever. He stops you like it's his job or something. In fact, I can't remember a plan he didn't stop. What are you talking about? He hasn't stopped all of them. Name one.
Way to pay attention, Pound.
Thank you, buddy! Hey, my voice! It's back!
Oh god, he's even worse.
Great!
Ah, there's the sweet sound my auditory processors know and love.
Now I remember why we changed his voice chip. No matter. I may have suffered a setback, but this thing's far from over. I will crush Sonic!
Whoa, he just jumped.
The man gets an A for effort, that's for sure!
You're gonna die.
Hey, Tails.
Yeah?
I got a bad feeling about this.
Good, so it's not just me.
When I feel the ground shaking under my feet and see plumes of dust rising and rubble tumbling and aliens running for their lives, yeah, I get a bad feeling. So, how about you and me make like Eggman's hairline and recede?
Oh, whoa, that's
Joke
kind of
time?
harsh,
This is
Sonic.
running to the space elevator time.
Sorry, couldn't help myself. We're out of here.
Yeah, we're running now.
I'm trying to get these back and stop. I'm not fast enough anymore. Hey, this is cheating. Oh, my they're done. I got hooked great. You again? Yeah, I did it.
Time to bail!
Isn't there?
Oh god,
Can be!
it's the boy.
Leaving so soon? There are no lines. And I've saved the best rides for last. At least let me stab your hand so you can come back in.
No, we're supposed to do.
I know you're trying to be clever with this whole amusement park pun thing, but it's just coming off lame. So just say you're going to destroy us and stop embarrassing yourself.
Curse you, Sonic! Not only do you foil my plans, but you foil my speeches as well. I work hard on them. No matter.
What's wrong?
I
It's not
will
his
destroy you,
fault.
and I
Like, you're the
will
one who
be
created those
victorious.
speeches.
Is that better?
Like a million times better. Thank you.
This robot is special. He's powered by the energy from your little friends. He is invincible. So I'd say it's been
That's
nice
what he
knowing
is.
you, but it hasn't.
I have to admit I'm a little scared. I don't think we can beat this guy.
See you on the ground, buddy.
Sonic, no!
And then it's Tails and Sonic though.
Just got one last thing to do. As for you,
To be continued.
Don't leave, there's more.